The V60 is a pour-over coffee brewing method that uses a cone-shaped filter and a dripper. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make V60 coffee. You'll need 1. V60 dripper. 2. V60 paper filter. 3. Coffee beans. 4. Burr grinder. 5. Kettle. 6. Scale. 7. Timer. 8. Mug or carafe. Steps. 1. Heat water to around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 93 degrees Celsius. 2. Weigh and grind 20 grams of coffee beans to a medium coarse grind size. 2. The grind should be slightly coarser than table salt. 3. Wet the paper filter and place it in the V60 dripper. 4. Place the V60 dripper onto your mug or carafe. 5. Pour the ground coffee into the V60 dripper and level the coffee bag. 6. Start your timer and pour 40 grams of water over the coffee bag, making sure all the coffee is saturated. 6. This is called the bloom. 7. After 30 seconds, pour 180 grams of water in a circular motion, starting from the center and moving outwards. 7. Make sure to pour slowly and evenly. 8. Wait for the water to drain through the coffee bed, then pour another 180 grams of water using the same circular motion. 9. Once the water has drained through the coffee bed, remove the V60 dripper from the mug or carafe and discard the paper filter. 10. Enjoy your freshly brewed V60 coffee. Some tips. 1. Use freshly roasted beans for the best taste. 2. Weighing your coffee and water will ensure consistency in the brew. 3. Pour slowly and steadily to avoid over-extraction or under-extraction. 4. Adjust the grind size or water temperature to achieve the desired taste. Thanks for watching.